Terry here. This is my colleague Edgar. We're here as part of the engineering team at Fastnet, the talent group.
We're currently recruiting for several engineering positions across pharmaceutical, biotechnology and medical device sectors due to increasing demand nationwide.
On Tuesday, 24th of September, there's a great opportunity to meet with us to discuss career prospects in engineering. On the day, we will discuss and outline job vacancies, review your career goals, and advice on CV preparation and interviews.
We're very much interested in meeting with candidates with at least 2 years of experience. This is an ideal opportunity for somebody who still hasn't registered with Fastnet or hasn't spoken to a recruitment consultant in the last 6 months.
We would like to arrange to meet you in our offices in both Cork and Dublin. Please contact us today.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good day.